Hello students, today we will learn about the www. Students, what is the www? www stands for the World Wide Web. Okay, and then it is a vast collection of the website and it contains to the information. Okay, and then students, these information will come from to the web browser. And what is a web browser, students? Web browser is a type of the search engine. Okay, and then what is the search engine? Search engine is a type of the website. It designed these type of the search engine designed on the specific type of the website that search from to the any type of the information from to the internet. And these information is a form of to the keywords. Okay, and then this keyword is being from to the link. So students, here you understood it, what is the web browser. There have a many web browsers we have used in the internet, like the Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, okay, and then Mozilla Firefox. These type of the web browser we have used it. There have a many internet term we use in the internet. First of all, website. Website is a collection of to the web pages. Okay, and then next internet term is a web page. What is a web page, students? Web page is a type of the digital page. You can say that is a page of the internet. You can say that is a web page, and that contain to the text, images, and then sounds. And then next internet hyperlink. An image or portion of the text which when we click upon it, we will link to the web pages. You can say that then the web pages link to the another web pages. Yeah, you can say that the text that is connected to the new web pages, that is called as a hyperlink. Okay, and then next term is a uniform resource locator. The specific location of the address of any web pages, that is called as a uniform resource locator. And then next is a home page. Then the main page of the website, that is called as a home page. And then download. The next term is a download. The transferring information from the internet onto your computer, that is called as a download.
This is a search engine website. Google is a search engine. Search engine is a website designed to search for information of the www. Google will come on the Gmail website. Okay, it will be supply the information in the form of the keywords, and it gets the link from all website containing that search term, students. So what is the keyword, students? Here I am using the keyword. Keyword is what? Keyword is a very important word in your search term. For example, here I write school. SCHOOL, school. Okay. Here I write school. Then it will give the different information about the school, and it will show the different website about the school like this. Keywords are the important words in your search term. Okay. Then here I write the school. Then it will show the school related Wikipedia information and then websites also. They show the different type of the website about the schools like this. Understood, students? Okay, and then suppose if you want to school of any image. Okay, then here you click on the image. If you want to any type of the information about the school, click on the all. And suppose if you want to any type of the images about the school, then you click on the images. Okay, if you want to any type of the video of any schools, then you click on the video. Okay, here I click on the image. What you see, there have a different image about a school. Suppose if you want to pick any one like this. This is a very nice picture. School. And you want to save it. How can you save it? Here you click on the right mouse of the images. You click on the right mouse of images and then click on the save image as. When you click on the save image as, students, then save dialog box open on your screen. Save as dialog box open on your screen. In the left hand side, there have a location where you want to save it. Suppose if you want to save your image on your desktop, click on the desktop and write the image name. This is a school image. You write it the school and click on the save button. Your file will be saved. Understood? How can you save an image? But if you want to any type of the web page, you want to save it. How can you save any type of the web page, students? When you click on the all, then different type of the web pages are link will be show here like this. Click this link. Then web page open on your screen like this. You want to save this this page. How can you save it? Very simple process, students. Click on the right mouse here on your web page like this and save as button. Okay, and then save. Then your web page will be saved.